Hi guys! Ayan, kain na tayo. Balang natira sa akin ay 2 ulo. At saka kalahati ng buntot. Kasi kinain ni Asher. Baliktira na lang to ni Asher guys. Sabi ko nga okay lang. Basta ang anak ko kumain, walang problema sa akin. So ayan, kain tayo. Did you give Ama?
If more,
At syempre,
if
No,
more,
this
if
one.
more I will dry the soup, they will eat already.
they ate already?
Almost.
Not yet?
No.
At meron tayo ditong sausawan na suka na may sibuyas. Okay. First bite. Nice. Sarap. Namiss ko isda. Palagi kasi kaming karne, manok. Madalang kaming nag-isda, guys. Paano minsan? Walang tilapia si Baya. Tapos madalas ang tinda niya yung cream dory, rohu, walang tilapia. At saka yung malaking isda.
Wait.
Hindi ko alam kung ang pangalan ng malaking isda na yun.
This. What's this?
Hmm.
123.
What are you playing?
8 plus 5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7.
Mommy, what's it? What is
Look,
it?
look, that's some bubble tea.
Sabi ko kanina,
Mommy, this.
ano na,
No, this.
sabi ko sa kanya kanina, guys. Sila ni Saisha, bubble tea, bubble tea. Ang sabi ko, hindi kayo pwede mag-bubble tea kasi mamaya ubuhin kayo mag-exam. Exam nila sa 22, 23, 24. Mag-start ang exam nila sa 24. Bubble tea. Bago kami umuwi, mga nakasimangot. Kasi gusto ng bubble tea. O, di dumaan nga kami sa may bubble teahan. O, ngayon, wala siyang boses.
Oh, this answer. Oh, see?
Crunchy. Pati yung tini, pwede nyo kainin. Sarap. Namiss ko talaga isda. Gusto ko din paksiw na tilapia. Ang problema si Asis, hindi niya masyado gusto ang paksiw. Bukas ko na lang titikman yung niluto ni Asis na isda. Kasi medyo madami to eh. Do you want to try? Stop.
Huh?
Do you want to try?
No, it's alright, no problem. It's okay. Oh, no problem.
Yung soya sauce ko medyo manamis-tamis ang lasa niya. Hindi siya yung maalat na soya sauce. Hindi. Dark sauce. Medyo manamis-tamis ang lasa.
This.
That's only 4 mg. Down 0. hard.
What are you playing?
This
Hmm?
one.
What's that, Minecraft?
No.
Roblox?
Yep.
I said don't play Roblox. Delete that one.
Okay.
Play another games but not Roblox.
Just leave. Play Sora, no problem.
It's not good Roblox for kids.
But don't play every time. You play.
A little.
Little only play, but don't play too much.
Mm-hmm.
I like these games.
I do not like you to play Roblox. It's not
I like
good.
these games, but my favorite game is Empire of Ants. I put the drawing pad and it works.
Itong masarap na partner sana nung pinakbet ko nung nakaraan. Kailan ako nagluto ng pinakbet? Talong at ampalaya. Lagyan ko ng kamatis at konting bagoong. Ay, grabe. Sarap talaga, guys.
I'll watch YouTube.
No problem. Kaya ko payagan si Asher sa Roblox kasi may mga nababasa ako na hindi magandang epekto ng Roblox sa bata. Kaya sabi ko hindi. Asher, your music. Lower. Asher. Copyright anak ko in my video. Sobrang dark yung sauce ko.
Bonus na agad.
Para sa mga aso namin.
Garlic sign hai? Garlic sign hai?
Oo. Why? Am a garlic not yet ready?
Expecting that one?
Ha?
You are expecting that one?
No.